All right, I've got a 2001 Chevrolet Silverado HD with the 8.1, and wanted to give you a quick shot of the exhaust system on this truck. All right, so we've got one huge muffler that has two head pipes coming into it, and they come back, and you can see one catalytic converter, and then both pipes keep coming back, and then you see the other catalytic converter. You have true dual exhaust on this truck. You've got this one pipe goes over to the left-hand bank, and then the other one obviously goes to the left-hand to the right-hand bank. So I see on a lot of exhaust package websites, the diagrams show one catalytic converter, right, with one pipe coming out of it, going into a muffler. This truck has dual exhaust all the way back to the muffler, and this is a stock system. So just a little something I saw on the web with a lot of exhaust system places, and it's really annoying. I could take the muffler off and it still be emissions legal, at least I think it would. The exhaust rate, the flow rate would change a good deal, but the O2 sensors, there's one right here on this bank, and then there's another one, I forget where it is, but it's on the other side. But really all I need is a replacement muffler, or two rather. I could just run those two pipes into two different mufflers and go out either side of the back of the truck, and boom, you're done. I really don't know why anybody would want to put anything else on this truck other than simply replacing the muffler and with, you know, a couple of performance mufflers, and then run pipes out the back. I think the money spent on cat-back systems, if you will, is kind of silly, to be honest. But so anyway, just my opinion, and thanks for watching.